What's up? And can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, let me know. Let me share it also on the Discord. You know what? Let me do starting soon. Share on the Discord. Do not leak the link. Oh, you're on trade. Wow. Damn. Let me check. You going for shorts? She looks good, man. Let me put in the announcement. Let me share your audio. Wait. All right, now they can hear you. Mhm. 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 Let me. I'm trying to figure out how to share your screen. One sec. Um. Mhm. Mhm. I do. Let me share your screen. Wait. Let me share your screen with them. Wait. One sec. Laptop. Oh wow. It's not scene two. Me. Oh wow. I cannot share. Wow. I cannot share Zoom anymore, bro. What the? I cannot share your screen on the stream. OBS cannot read what's going on. Can you guys see what's going on now? All right, they can. Let me check. Let me change the scene to the laptop. What's going on here? All right, now I think it's good. All right, now it's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one here, and then I'm gonna run OBS. All right, now you're good. Now they can see what's going on your screen. I see. Mm-hmm. I see, man. Mm-hmm. I see. I got you. I'm sharing. I'm sharing by the way your screen, so they can see your screen the whole time. All right. Let me see the chat. What the fuck? What the fuck? Let me see the chat. One sec. I'm logging onto my Twitter. Let me do main. What's just going on with the chat, man? Oh wow. Wait. Okay. Wait. Can they hear you? What the fuck? No worries, man. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Wait. Let me check. No way. Don't tell me they weren't hearing your voice, bro. The whole time. What the Oh, they were. Can you say something? Oh, fuck's sake, bro. They're not. What the fuck, man? The whole time. Holy shit. One sec. Why the fuck is it like that? What the fuck? Properties. Holy shit. Can you say something now? Say something? Let me check.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, okay. Now they can. Holy shit. Okay, okay. Shit. What's up? Holy shit. Alright, we can only hear you. Shut up. What the fuck, man? Sorry, guys. I did not know that was going on, man. I thought that that I'm sharing the audio. But I was sharing the audio, but I was not sharing the right mic, the speaker. That's the problem, man. Shit. Can you guys hear him now? Let me check if you guys can hear him now. Let me make sure it's all good. Now we can. Okay, perfect. Fuck's sake. Oh my days, man. Shit. You're logged into a top step?
No, I'm done. Like I just logged out. You see, I took some trade.
Nice, bro. So that account that you took a break even on, was it the top step or Apex?
No, that was just it was a paper account.
Oh, paper account. Okay, I got you.
I told you I took the trade in Asia, right? Like this is what I took in
Wait,
Asia.
let me show. Wait, let me show your screen. Wait. One second. It has to be a laptop. Okay, now you can see your screen.
What I took in Asia, right? So you're waiting for the liquidity sweep, right? So we get it, right? We get this sweep. Yeah, right. We did. Yeah. I entered before, but then took a break even because it came here. Now you want to see displacement. So what happened? Boom, displacement. So what's where I got it from? Yeah. Then I kind of took TP here because we kind of switched here and give me a second. Uh, give me a second. Let me just mute me. Let me mute myself a little bit. I just want to
All right, one sec.
talk to. Yeah.
Well, okay, let me do it. All right, let me share my screen. All right, what's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing, man? It's been a minute. Let me check the chat. Now we can. Yes, the volume level is low. Lol. Oh my god, bro. Is it mine or his? Mine or his? Can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me well, let me know. If not, then I'll try to raise the parameters from my side to be able to, so you guys can hear him clearly. All right. So from the get-go, bro, the day has just been fucking dumping the whole day. So I'm actually interested in RB a little bit to kind of cut off the retracement, to kind of cop off this expansion here. Somewhere in the range, I think we do have this fat ass SMT here with a two-stage PSP. RB is the weaker, so we can at least like take a drive here or like back to that gap. There's an entry here, by the way, now that I like, but unfortunately the risk is 500 bucks, which I cannot take. So if you want to go with the retest, you want to put your stop just at the body or at the high to be secured more. This has to be like a 500 stop, so which I cannot really take. So that's why that I'm just waiting for the moment. So yeah, let's see what sits up. I think I'm just gonna be focused on NSCs here due to the fact that I can manage my risk better. For the account, still sitting at 20k, I guess, 20k, 25k, not 20k. Let me check. So it's back to break even, which is really, really unfortunate. I took like the 2 L's on stream. Let me see. Why is it not loading up? All right, no worries. So that trade is good. Like this trade here, that's a really clean two-stage PSP here. There is a two-stage PSP that you can take to at least to like this low here, or back to this gap. But again, due to the fact that the risk is a little bit high, I cannot really do it. And let me see what's. Oh my god, bro! It's sitting up. Okay, the short is sitting up. NQ. Oh wow. M15. All right, we do have a strength switch here. The one that was a bit stronger now is getting weaker. Okay. But are we going to get the retracement? Not really sure. Let's run it back up. Again, looking on that M15. This high just has been taken out right now. This one has been taken a bit earlier. M15. Do we have a PSP here or not? We don't. 45. Let me check the 45. 13 minutes scan. 13 minutes for the closure. Let me see if we can trade some sort of asset resync. Not really. So the only thing we can do is just like frame this SMT here, which is alone is not enough as a confluence. So yeah. So we gotta wait. Let's wait. Let's wait until 10 a.m. Let's see what 10 a.m. is gonna bring us here. But overall, man, like I think there were no trades. There was a trade that I spotted. This one here, C2, with an SMT that you can take back to the lows, which was, I think here, yeah, it was this one. And if you really check, this one traded below. Look at that. This low traded below these lows here, right? So overall, this was weaker. So this is that strength switch again. So from going from weaker to now going to a little bit stronger to a low YM to catch up with that same low or to that external low. And just looking at the M3, that was like a clean expansion candles. Clean expansion candles, so you could have just taken that. And again, this is all hindsight. I was not trading at 6 a.m. So if I was, I would have been streaming. So that could have been like a try to extend it a little bit to like 2R. For me, I don't know. Maybe I would have been looking for a retest or some shit like that. You guys know how we do it. So sometimes I fuck up with the retest. All right. I'm not sure if I want to go for this one. Yeah. Let's just wait for a sec. Let's just wait for a sec. Let me make sure y'all can see my screen. Let me make sure. Yep, y'all can see my screen. Okay, that's good. So. All right. We have this SMT fill here. Again, looking at silver, really already traded. Again, this is again that asset resync. Let me see if I can try to catch an early entry. M5, not really. I can't. M3, no, I can't. So we gotta wait. So as you guys see, gold is stronger. Now it's putting that low. Silver already took out a low. Now it's becoming stronger. So let's see if we're gonna have a two-stage PSP so we can deliver back to the lows. That would be really clean. That would be a good short. But I think there's something going on here with the colors. I like this color. These PSPs are a little bit ugly. Let me change that. What's up, Munchie? Let me share. Wait. Let me share your audio. One sec. All right.
Right.
Now they can hear you. Okay. You can just.
You know, did you watch the video of what's his name? Um, what's his name? AM Trade talking about like how knowing like daily the bias of the day. So like knowing the bias of the day, it's knowing what the candles in 7 hours are gonna do, you know. So let's say the direction of each candle. So if this is like yesterday, right? So this is Asia and then London and then New York, right? So you're just knowing when they're gonna do in the like last Monday was this is Asia candle and then in that 7 hour period of the candle because not like the day candle normally forms during New York, you know, which which hasn't been majority of the time though, but it's not all the time, but at least like 60-70%. So you can see in this candle, right, you have the first, second, and then boom, that's the expansion. And then you have this, and
Wait. Let me
then
share your screen. One sec. Let me share your screen, my buddy. Let me do that.
when
Let me share your screen instead.
that's
Bring
the
out our
point.
laptop. All right. Now they can see your screen, man. Wait. Let me make sure they can hear you. Can you say something? Okay, they can. All right.
Yeah,
Perfect. They can.
so you're talking about like having this expansion, right? So each day, just it kind of makes sense. You know, I did watch it. It was like it's a long video, like an almost an hour. So you're talking about like a day stats. So you're basically just using the 7 hours to kind of predict where the expansion is gonna be during the day. So like here, this one it's London made the expansion for today for this day. And New York kind of just breathe fast, didn't really go too much. New York was just stuck in the range, just like New York, starts at 8, and then for the 4 hour, like, and then the next day, just, yeah, it's kind of interesting. But what I'm looking for, you see what I told you? Like, want to trade, basically using that daily range or the overall daily range. But yeah, I did get somewhat of a fair value gap that was respective. Sorry, other block, but I want to see something really, really intentional. So we're stuck in the range, right? So we have some liquidity. I'm still down for sales. Yeah. Sales. When this is the weekly I know people will be cussing me out on VWAP, but this shit works, man. They see point of control. Once we break in here, point of control is always normally here. So you always target if you're on top until you break and come down. But yeah, if not, spending before the end of the week, we should be here. 23,304.25. Coming down. So now let's see. All right. Now let's see. So what are we going to respect this 3 minutes can respecting this inverse for let's see. Let's see also golf. I'm gonna see fully in golf. Yeah, there's a lot of failure swings here. So but I want to be in a premium. What's the time for the candle? Good the hell. Yeah, 8:32 today. So we're respecting this fair value gap. That means we still want to go to the downside. There's still more downside to go. So in that case, let's see. See it or down or did we mitigate? If we close like this, mitigating this is not a yeah, I will take let me see. Yeah, I'll take this. Take this. It's not just other block. Like we've had the sweep, but that's if we don't take this level. If we don't take this level, I'll take it and I'll run it down to some, so it'll be like my entry. Run it down to around 23 something, 23,600.
All right. You wanna go for shorts?
Yeah. Yeah, short. I still the oil is still gonna based on the news yesterday, oil is still more on the downside though.
Bro, it's fucking up 12%, 13% today.
Sorry, it's
Shit.
upside. Sorry, up based on the news. Sorry, I missed it. It's gonna be on the upside because the orange man still fighting the war. No alignment yet.
I actually wanted to take that M3 entry on YM that I shared earlier on stream. It's playing out right now, but I did not really take it due to the fact that we only had a one stage SMG. So, let me one sec. Let me share my screen. I wanted to take this one.
Wait,
We have this
wait,
SMG.
Felix,
What's up?
I think if we create a failure swing, we
Yeah,
could.
but I did not like the fact that it's just an M15 one stage. I'm not really gonna take this one. There is no C2, so yeah, I'm waiting on gold, man. I'm waiting on gold to set up, so it will just give me a change instead, and I will take it. That's what I'll be doing. So let me see.
I did sell my Nvidia.
You just sold your
Like, bro, I
Nvidia?
was up like no, I sold it like I was up like 5 grand
Oh my god.
and it got to like 1K. So only 1K. So I sold it. Reason was as me selling was because I wanted this level taken out. Once that level is taken out, I'll just wait for like a bullish confirmation. We we should have the good side. So the war ends, everything goes smooth. We should be targeting 212 or possibly be at that 236 range. Yeah. Right now it's not like the best of the best. Oops, then put my level back down. So that's like the level. So once we already took the first level. So if we take this low, it's not like a good reversal low. But you see, this was a very good reversal low. And you see like this whole beach is held. So mainly you had that. So on the 4H, you're going like good trade. So 4H, we didn't sweep nothing. So this was the whole thing. So sweep, boom, close up. Oh, this would have been the best. Boom, yeah. So entry. So once we get there, I'll probably buy more. Maybe buy like 18,000 watts. Then let me see this other stock I have in mind.
You can just
Use
DCA, man. Or you want to like have
What
in enter at the relevant
Yeah, I mean,
position?
I just don't want to just put it there and buy. I want to see some confirmation, like the whole economic environment. Bro, like, I don't want to be in a trade and then Russia goes and attack. Sorry. Ooh, damn it.
Is your entry?
I didn't say that. Hey, I didn't say nothing.
No worries.
Uh, yeah, yeah. So now I won't be scared because we're literally dragging, like going for that. So that's like I don't have any account to trade it on, so it was a demo. I already took a trade, so yeah, I won't be scared because we do have this failure swing. If possibility, we want to drive higher to either take all this liquidity here, then I will either be looking for either we take out this or SMT, either ES or NQ, one of them takes it out, and then probably pushing that. But other than that, if you look at London, London didn't really do much. London just ranged. Like London really didn't much. It just ranged, and this other block is holding. We were just only at like 50. We barely just got to 50% of the overall range. So, um, I know a lot. This is just like a 50% of the fair value gap that I was looking at. If we could get a good reaction. So if you look at it from here, yeah, we barely we're not even there. We're not even 50%. So let's see.
All right. That's M15, like the formation on M15 now in YM looks good, bro. But there's nothing really to target to the left. That's the only issue.
Yeah, yeah, your draw of liquidity is it has to be key. You know, like here it's like the good level for like me. You know, I'm thinking it's like the liquidity level that I know we're either gonna take sooner or later. I like it, bro. If you take that, then boom.
Let me see. Let me use some projection, bro. What the fuck? There's nothing really going on here. 4,
Yeah, you do.
4.5, somewhere in here. I think it might make sense. Let me see. Oh wow, I was not doing full screen the whole time. Wow. Finally. Alright, just gonna keep it this way. Where is 1800? Alright,
All
so
right, so
that's the first swing for the day. Let's see. I might be interested in taking this M15 entry here. I might risk like 200 bucks, man. The account is back at break even. I don't know how many. Oh wow. Oh wow. Let me see. Let me do
be
MCM.
cautious.
Sorry. Let me do
Cautious.
MYM. Let me check.
Do we have a news? We have a news
I might go with like
event.
38. You know what? Let's give it a try with 38 bucks. Oh wow, it's gone. Holy fuck. It did not tag me in, bro. Let me put it a little bit lower. Alright, you can have the shot. Alright, I'm in. I just want to take this M15. I really want to give it a try. It looks good, even though like that shit is too low in the range, but just look for these lows here. It's 38 bucks.
Yeah.
Let me just put this. I think I'm gonna get taken out soon. Dun, dun, dun. All right, I'm just gonna go for these lows here. Either I'm gonna get taken out or. Yup. All right. Quick in and out. Dun, 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 dun. Gold ain't really setting up, man. Interesting. Let me just put this one, All right. That doesn't really.
Let me see. I think we'll probably get. Let me see. So if I want to enter again, I want to see a 1 minute candle getting off, like in here. So meaning like we're gonna go and then push back. I guess we want to sweep this level and then pull back, but other than that,
This day ain't looking the greatest. I think we might cap out the. I think I might be interested in buys to be honest, to go back for this gap. I think that's what I'm gonna be really focusing on. Let me set it hourly. Let's see what this gap does. If this gap doesn't really do shit, I will trade the universal sequence to the upside. That's what I'll be doing. All right. Let's see if we have any SMTs here. Not really. In Q, we do. But it's not with the irrelevant swing. Alright, so I'm about to get taken out. I'll probably get taken out right now. Let me see the account size. Alright, so it's sitting at, you know what, let's keep it at 25k. Gotta protect that 25k. We don't want to go below 25k. Okay, let's wait. Let me wake up for that shit. 4 hour. Very good. Hourly. I actually like what I'm seeing here on gold. Alright, we gotta wait for 10 a.m. to close, and then yeah, oh, we're delivering away from this PSP here. Okay, let's see if we can have a trade here on gold. See if we can retrace back to this. Should we take out a high? Take out this high. Alright, just want to be aware of what's going on with gold. Oh wow, it did not really take me out. Shit. Oh, my stop was at, it was here. But what's up, my G? You want to get in again or what?
Yeah, if it closes bearish,
I see.
like it kind of needs to close bearish.
Oh wow, shit, gold is just ripping higher. Interesting. Let me check.
All right, so I'm looking for. What's the time? Oh man.
Man, RB short did actually hit TP, man, but fuck's sake. The risk was too high for me to take. It was $500. And I still got $500 in drawdown for the account, so that's gonna blow it. No worries. Your voice too low. What? Is it? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? So let's do some proper analysis here. All right. So looking at the day again, it just expanded. We have this shallow opposing round, which is good, which supports expansion. Do we have any cracks in correlation to the upside? We do. Only this is again. This was from yesterday. Again, once you get here's the thing about reversals. If you get the reversal at the end of the day, then Asia will just expand directly. If we don't have, for example, 10 a.m. or 1400 just traded into a key level, we haven't reversed yet, so Asia will reform that reversal, and then we'll see London or New York expand. So in that case, we saw reversal at the end of yesterday, and then that's why Asia just literally just expanded, because we have everything set up, that two-stage. Just need one stage here. Let me see if we have a two-stage. Yup, we do have a two-stage. So look at that. From going from stronger to weaker. This is that true reversal. And looking at this, bunch of failure swings. There are no gaps here that would hold the price from going higher. I think even on an hourly, I don't think there's some sort of like relevant gap. Yep. All the gaps have been traded into, even like this one here. It haven't been traded into, but again, this is all inside of that leg here. So this did its job and delivered higher. Then we saw the expansion lower. So all this would get disrespected other than this one, because Really, if you look, this leg here haven't really been mitigated back to the EQ if you really check. But for this one, it has been rebalanced to the EQ. So we wouldn't really care about this gap here not being mitigated. Or even if you want, like you can play it safe and target this low, but you can still hold for a bit longer, which for me, I wouldn't really do it. As long as I get 2R out of my trade, that's enough for me. So that's what we're seeing really. And now we're stuck at the first level that is kind of relevant. But again, you don't really want to see such deep retracement back into the leg, just like this one. Again, should it deepen the leg. Even though like we see I see it here on the 4 hour, but again, price failed to kind of drive back into the high again. So if you want to take a trade here, ideally get out of the gap. And then if we have some proper structure you can work with, just target whatever to the left. Just like for shorts here, there's nothing really to target. So that's the problem. So the key level, like the relevant swing is all the way down here. So longs are a lot better due to the fact that we have a close proximity gap that we can target to kind of rebalance this current range here from this high to this low, which is, or just the current daily dealing range. Rebalance the EQ and then push a little bit lower. If we manage to, if price wants to continue lower, there is some sort of relevant swing that we can form and then reverse off of. So as you guys know, if we're not reversing from the gap, what are we gonna do? Form a key level, reverse from it, from that 2 stage here, depending on that 2 stage, and then expand. So, and so once you see price just like falling off the edge of the world and coming into a gap, you'd know that whatever that level low that was formed most likely will not hold, and it might be that draw that will cause us to deliver a little bit higher, and that's what we're really getting right now. So let's see if price manages to kind of like inverse this gap, because again there, but I think we already traded into it. So let me check on a 30-minute. Nothing really. So that's really good. So far so good. So if we close like this and also the 4 hour closes the C2, then I will be aligned with that reversal profile, even though we don't have any cracks in correlation here. But I'll try to seek some sort of M15, 1 or 2 stage. So that's what I'll be doing for the moment. We're confirming the C3 here, but again, we need a new swing to form, which I think we would. I don't think prices would just expand to the high. And really, if you check, also kind of like aligns like this M15, this tiny M15 gap that I haven't been retraced into. So there are a bunch of failure swings there that we can target. So far, so good. That would be down to take a new swing here, form a gap, 1 stage, and then go higher. That would be the play for NSCs. Like literally same for NQ, same for YM. But again, looking at NQ, kind of expanded again. What do we want to see right now? A failure to reverse, so YM can catch up. Even though like we haven't traded back to the high, but that looks okay. ES. ES now for the first time in a long time is the leading asset, which is really interesting. Like it's never been the case. Never been the case that ES is the leading asset. So we want to see some sort of strength switch for YM and NQ to catch up at that same level. Let me check RCY. Even though I don't check RCY, but let me see what's going on with it. Okay, same. Okay. So RCY and ES, we want them to range for a bit while these can catch up. And yep, that's really the case. For GC, we're forming this 1 stage here. Also the 4 hour is closing bullish, I think. It's closing as C2. Where can we cap off this retracement? Either this gap, either this previous candle's high or this high here, which we have like a fat ass gap. So yeah, if you can enter before this level, that's good. If you cannot, then it's a little bit risky. You can wait for a failure to manipulate, then a new swing to form, and you can go for this level. So as long as we haven't taken out this level here, I can trade within the range. But the minute we're going to take out this high, I will require a new swing for a continuation further higher, because that will show me the failure to manipulate. And if we go to Euro, we haven't really traded it back into the high. GBP. So there's no sign that it is likely that we're going to catch up to that same high. So we got to wait for one and then see that new phase of price. Is it going to be consolidation, continuation, or reversal? They've not really, yeah, I haven't really traded into it yet. So let's wait for a sec here. All right, that's really it. That's really what I'm looking at. CL and stuff like that. I don't think we're gonna get something here on NSCs. I think we do have a 2-stage PS. Yeah, we do have a 2-stage PSP now. Into a gap, but it's a little bit interesting. So let's see. Merchant.
Yeah.
All right.
waiting for the shots.
All right.
I'm not expecting NQ to take out the high just as ES did.
Yeah, that's ideally want to. Ideally, I want to take YM. It looks cleaner. There's a little bit of range to play with.
I want to see how in the next 3 minutes. I want to see us pull down to around. Well, I bet it's gonna take it out.
Oh wow, there was a string switch here. I did not really see it. Damn, it was here. It was what time did I up on stream? I think 8, 8:20, 8:25. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it was on the charts at this time, but I was actually looking for shorts. So I missed out on this one. Shit. That's good. That's a good signature. That's a really good one. Really, that's a really good one. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll probably get taken out of break even here, and then get that TP. That could have been a really good trade, unfortunately. Bum 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 bum. All right, so we have the new 10 minute 10 a.m. candle for new 4 hour, new 15 minute. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna have here. What's up, my G? Come on, Wayne, please listen to me. You still got a gap. You can take your time. Just don't take that high out. Give me a new clean swing here. I want to take it to that high. Make 600 or 700 bucks and get the fuck out of this chart. Get back tomorrow. Do the same. Pass the fucking account because that shit took too long. I still got like I don't know like 4 days, man, to for me to have to pay again for that shit. I thought I'm gonna pass in like a week. That took way longer than expected. Have you ever seen some Chinese electric cars? Yup. The I don't know. Oh, you saw the Eto, the Huawei. Nice man. I really like the Xiaomi U7. Why U7, bro? It's good. It's like a mini copy of Ferrari. Let me show you. Xiaomi YU7. It's like a mini version of. It's good. It's like 40 grand. I don't think that's some that's let me try to share my screen. Wait. Oh, I can't. I like this car. It's decent. This color is dope. Just like the one on the porch. The Taycan. Oh, I cannot share my screen. All right. You did? Oh, let me check. Let me check. Okay, Fei Shanghao. This one. I really. And also this green one, bro. It's really good. Oh, but wait. Share my screen? Yeah. All right. Let me check. Bum bum. Can you see it? Let me check. Can you see my screen? Yeah. That's the copy. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see if I can come up with it. I think it should be SU7. And this one is the copy of Taycan. So they copied the Taycan, bro. They copied the Ferrari, bro. But they're really good at copying, bro. They're really good. I like this color, man. This color is fucking dope. I see it in the streets. It's really good. Also, the screen. Hmm. The inside. All right. Let me try. It's such a good inside, bro. Like it's simple, but I like it, man. I've been in one for many times, or it's like so good, man. Yeah. And the bass, bro, and the soundproof is it's really dope. It's good, man. Such a good one, and I liked it really. Yeah, it's one of the few that I liked. Also, I like that 8 M9 is the Huawei. This one. This one is like 80 grand. But bro, it's fucking dope as hell. This one too. You got a cinema inside. You got a screen. You got all everything you need. You will not even leave the car, bro. If you want to go for a trip, this one is the perfect one for a trip. Forget about the I don't know all the other brands. This one is really good for camping. You have the TV inside. You have a lot of good stuff. There's a fridge. There's massage and all the seats. So it's very good, bro. China is just you go to a mall and then you see like a car shop inside. Then you're just oh, wow. There's also another one. It's called Zeekr. There's a brand called Zeekr, but it's not that familiar compared 9X. I think is it the 9X? It's they got Tesla here. Tesla. Yeah. And they're quite cheap here. Like they're really cheap here. I think for 15 grand you can get a Tesla Model 3. Yep. I also like this one. This Zeekr here, bro. This is like a Rolls Royce. This is a copy of Rolls Royce. What is it called? Oh, I got a name, bro. Fuck's sake. Yeah. This one is also super dope. I just want to have that electric shit, man. I'm not interested in gas anymore. I'm really interested in like these Chinese cars, but bro, if you want to change the country, it'll be a problem. It'll be a problem because I'm thinking about leaving China maybe. So probably thinking about Europe. I don't know, Germany, Italy, Spain. Hmm. When? I cannot hear you, man. Can you hear me? All right. You said something I couldn't really catch up. Yeah, thinking about doing an update. Yeah, I've been thinking about it lately. So let's see. Let me see if I'll change my mind about China or not. Because like I've been here for 2 years, so yeah, it's time. It's time. It's a time for a change. It's time for an update. Like I love the country. Exactly me. You gotta update, man. You don't gotta stay in the same spot. So you want to get me banned, bro? I really want to go back to Thailand, by the way. I really want to go back. If I decide to leave China, that's the first thing I'll do. Go to Thailand, spend like a month or two there, and then then leave because it's so close to China. Compared to going to Europe, you'll have to take a Hmm. Lady boys. Everything, bro. Um, everything, literally. Everything is good. The nature, the people, the food. I don't know, man. Like when you go there, you don't want to go back. That's the only thing I know for sure. Why? I cannot really answer the question, man. I don't know why, but they got something on their air, bro, that is not on everywhere. If you know, you know. Let me see the chat, bro. Salam. Ahlan wa ahlan. It looks like a gangster. Where are you from originally? I'm from Earth. From Morocco. Your native or birth country? Yeah, yeah, from Morocco. Have you watched the football match, man? Touchdown. Is that a song by a little baby or Future? I government official? Mm. And you got a touchdown too, man. I think I know the song. Bro, just hit me up and I'll go for you, man. Um, I think 24. I think 24. 24. Bunny, I think is the one. Memphis. There's a called Memphis or there's that. I think it's this one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop, stop, stop. You're sharing the audio. I can know. All right. I think it's this one. Yeah. Big spender, take a jet to Morocco. Got pretty woman, show me teeth. It's like, oh my god, bro. Fuck, I'm gonna get banned. I think by it's. I think it's by a little baby. I don't know. It's called, and also government. Joseph Barak. Barak. Um. I don't know, bro. And I know another. Joshua. Oh, Morocco. It's the name is called the song is called Morocco. Oh, let me stop. Let me stop sharing the desktop audio so I'm not gonna get. Oh fuck, your audio is not shared the whole time. Holy fuck's sake. Fuck, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. Fuck's sake. Let me hear it. Let me see. Oh, 2015. 2025. Okay, I thought 2015. That's a good one. That's a really good one, I swear. Like the vibe is good. I think this singer is good. Not this. Let me see. Let me go to another one. Yep, yep. He got the Afro beats good, and also like it's chilled. It's good. Also, the song "Dive In" just below Morocco in the same album is good. Nice. We can't hear. Yeah, yeah, bro. I cannot share the audio because I'll get copyright. Here you go. My brother is singing for you guys. Hakuna
And then,
Matata.
eh,
Hakuna Matata. Let me see what the fuck is going on with gold. Rien du tout. Il n'y a rien, monsieur. Ah, c'est vraiment. We can't hear who you're talking to. Now you can. Let me check.
or you get the dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar.
Now you can hear? I think now they can. Bro, and I'm obsessed with sunflower seed. I take it every
Is
day,
this
bro.
what
Hmm?
does it do to you? What does it do to you?
I don't know, bro. It's just whenever I'm watching the chart, that's the only thing I do. Have some
Is it
seeds.
sweet?
Not like depends on the flavor that you take it with. Here in China, there are a lot of flavors. I like it with caramel. It's really good.
Oh, you're taking the tea, right?
No, 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 no. Sunseed flower, sunflower seed. This one. Do
Oh,
you,
it's crazy. I can't take that.
do you know this one?
That.
Do you see the screen?
Oh, oh, that. Oh,
Yeah, 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 yeah. Is it sunflower seed? Yeah, it's sunflower seed. There's one is with
yeah.
caramel.
I see people here take it. I don't even know why.
Oh no! Oh, not like this. Not like this.
Pregnant women take it. So you're pregnant?
Fuck. I think caramel flavor. Let me do China. Let me see the exact one. Literally, this is the exact one that I use. This is literally the exact one that I'm eating right now. That's the
Oh,
brand. That's
wow.
the one. That's the one. I'm eating the 1 8 grams. Let me check what the grams.
Oh, shit.
Literally, it's the exact same 1 8, 108. Yeah, it's literally the exact same. This is the one
My
that I'm eating.
body hurts like crazy, man.
Here what?
My body hurts like crazy.
Because of the gym.
Yeah, bro. I'm cutting.
What is that?
Like weight loss. So like trying to reduce weight.
Hmm. How much do you weigh?
I'm going to I weigh almost last I checked it was like almost 600. Almost it was almost 200 pounds, 220 early beginning of last
220.
year.
220 pound.
Yeah,
Wait, let me check. Pounds to
I've
kg.
dropped like 200. I'm not 200 right now. So hoping to get to 195.
Nice. Let me see 200 pounds in kilograms. Oh, almost 90, right? 90 kilograms.
Yeah.
How tall are you?
I got big bones, so it's not like I look fat or chubby. It's just
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm 86. I'm 86 kilograms, and I'm not that muscular. I'm not like I don't have big muscles. It's I think same case like you. How tall are you? We never met, man. I think six. I'm not sure. 6'2", six
almost
one,
6 feet.
6 foot.
5'11", 5'11",
Nice, man.
5'11". I think we just had the reversal. That was a great reversal though. Like,
Oh,
yeah,
whoa,
great
whoa,
reversal.
whoa, whoa, whoa! Chill the fuck down. Have you seen what NQ did in a fucking second?
Yeah, yeah. It just blasted,
Ripped. Yeah.
blasted. Let me see where
Bastard blasted.
it's at like a key level right now. Like way so I know I don't know. I still suspect there's still more sales, you know. But after the dumb news yesterday, I was expecting more, you know, more sales like from Homeboy.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
All right, we have a PSP. I'm gonna see if we can get a second stage here, which I don't think we will. Let's give it a try. And guys, we got 28 viewers here. Come on, man. The channel has been dying, bro, since I stopped streaming. So come on, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let's push it to like 20 likes.
I think we need to be dropping content like more like a weekly content,
Yeah, that's.
you know.
I don't know if you checked the Discord. I said like a. I was setting at. I was setting like. Oh, this is flag. This is Ethiopia by Robson because Robson is from Ethiopia. I
Put
think.
put a section for accomplishment, you know, like people who like pass the challenge, you gotta pay out, you know, just leave it there. It kind of motivate people, you know.
Open like a new channel.
Achievement on the Discord, achievement section.
All right, I was actually gonna do it and I'll just put it in the announcement. I'll get that sorted out today. If you can, guys, do something, and we can have some sort of announcement in there.
Yeah.
But actually, what I want to do is like 15 streams at least, and at least 5 trade breakdowns, so 5 videos posted, and also 1 or 2 backtesting sessions, either live or recorded, doesn't matter. And I want to get to 2100 subs, which I think it's achievable. I think 2100 subs. I'm sitting at let me see. I think 1944. So it's almost 156 subs in the span of like a month. I think 5 subs a day is achievable, I guess. And because just on this month alone, like just on this week when I started streaming again, I think I got like, I don't know. Let me see. Last 7 days, 54. So I guess it's kind of manageable, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's give it a shot. Nah, man. Goldie just fucking going. He's just ripping higher shit. My god, bro. From to Morocco. Coco. There's nothing here to really look at, man.
Touchdown, Morocco.
Bro, what the fuck? It's just 20 past 10. What the fuck? I thought it's 12 already.
So the market, what's the time for the market tomorrow? Only opening in Asia, right?
What? I couldn't really catch what you said, man.
I said the market is only opening tomorrow or for Asia session, right?
Oh,
And
for
then
real?
close.
I did not know that. Ah, because of the bank holiday. Wait, let me check. Is that true? Oh, if that's true, that's so bad, man. Let me check. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Alright, so I gotta make 750 today. Holy shit. Because they just sent me an email. They said they were gonna review your subscription on the 7th.
I'm gonna prepare a day, you know. Tomorrow, email features overview. So Friday, Good Friday. I just checked. I just went to CME. Let me see.
Yeah, it's a holiday. Tomorrow is a bank holiday, so.
Is it open? Is it open during
Even if it is, the market will be just so fucking choppy. It wouldn't be worth trading.
You never know. Holidays is like the best time.
Let me take that off. All right. I don't know if I want to take this YM, bro. It fucked around for too long. Ah, my days. Let me check. Morocco. I think I'm gonna go for this one. You know what? I only have 1 life, so better take your shots, man. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna go with 7 contracts here. Alright. Let me see. Execution and also positional orders. I'll just take that out of the way. Let me put this one a little bit lower, just in case that shit decides to trade back.
Yeah, Good Friday out. A quick reminder that tomorrow is Good Friday, which means CME equity market will close early at 8:15 a.m. Central Time. While CME crypto interest rate will at 10 a.m. CT. Our last reporting will be online trading hours. So it closes at 8:15. So
Basically, Asia and London.
yeah, after Asia and London.
All right, it's worth giving it a shot. Need a universal sequence to get considered in indices today. That's actually true, but I'm gonna give it a try with this CIST. I don't think I've because I gotta the account is set on a break even. I still got 3 days to pass, and I gotta make maximum 50% today to be able to trade Monday.
Trade.
Yeah, because I only can trade Monday. On the 7th by 5 a.m. they said there. Oh no, I think they said 5 p.m. Let me check the email. So if not, I'm not really gonna renew the account with $500 of drawdown. I don't want to get a 50k. I don't want to get 25k anymore. It limited me in a lot of trades, man.
Wait, let me give you a trade. Let me call you a trade. Give me a second. Let's pass it together. You reach 250 for my trade, and you can reach 250 for your trade. So,
I'm literally gonna get in, bro. I just got in, bro.
buys
Yeah, man.
on
Oh, wow.
MQ.
Perfect entry. Do you know what's a perfect entry? Literally just to detect. And now I'm gonna get taken out. No, no,
And
no.
on
YM.
MQ.
YM.
YM. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Because I can now really manage it. Like, it's either today, try to mix 50%, or how much I'm gonna be making here. 423. Oh, fuck's sake. Alright, so we gotta do something about it. So I'm not really just gonna let the account blow. I'd rather blow it myself, giving it a shot then.
I'll say add more contract, one more.
I thought 7 are enough, bro. But I just really
Add one
realized.
as it's going, if it closes beyond that candle, just add one more.
I'll see. I'll try to go in a little bit heavy. Oh, that's good. You know what? I'm gonna do one more here. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go with 3 more here. Go with 3.
Oh, you entered?
Yeah, I'm in already. I'm up $100.
No. I'm not like you entered again.
No. I want to see if we're gonna get a retracement or not.
I would say, bro. I would say, what's the out? I would say close it a little bit. 25. No, don't close it. Leave it.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
Good.
Having my chips. I'm watching the charge.
We're failing to display above
Yeah.
the.
Yeah. That's what I'm really looking at.
Try to go to the 2 minutes and let's see.
2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good. We're good.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Yeah, one more. Get in one more contract.
But just, oh man, it's just going. What time is
That's
it? 24. Break even. Put that shit at break even.
Yeah, and get in one more.
One more wouldn't do much. I think with 7 contracts, I'm making $400. So I'll see if we can retrace. I think maybe I don't know, bro. I don't fucking know what to enter. Let me check the M1. I think I'm gonna enter here at this auto block here. Do not try this at home, guys. Do not try this at home.
Do not try this at home.
It's not healthy for your account. Again, just the other fact that I'm a little bit forced to do it, so I gotta do it. It's either pass or... It's either I gotta pass the account today, like make some more, make 50%, which is 750, or it's gonna be blown. So I'd rather just blow it myself if it's gonna get blown. So... Alright, I'm up with 7 more. I'm in with 7 more, so... Let's see, I'm 14 contracts. I'm feeling like, I don't know, ICT. Oh, that's a good retest on the M1. Perfect. I'm up $300. 336. Come on, baby.
Come on. Come on.
Don't cheat on me, baby. Come on.
So
All right.
you just need $400, right? Every 500
No.
bucks.
7. I gotta make 750. All right, just trade my stop to the auto block. So because I already retested it, you should not go back to the auto block. Come on, baby. So now it'll be up. I don't know, like $100. I don't know.
Put it below 50% of that order block. 50 below 50%.
You know what? We're gonna just put it at break even. Fuck it.
No. Just put it below the order block. Just below the order block. Like exactly
Really?
below.
Here?
No.
Keep
Go
it
back.
here?
Go back. Up.
All right, let's
Around.
have a vote in the chat. You know what? Fuck this shit. Let me keep it here. I think it's gonna go. Come on, baby. You gotta go. YM. All like NQ, RTY, ES are going higher. Come on, bro. You ain't gotta do me dirty like that. Come on.
But not really, because thank you. Like let's see what we got 2 minutes before 30. Let's see that to get that displacement from the opening of the 30-minute candle.
Oh, we just
But I don't know.
wait. I think we just traded above an M15 high. That's why price is struggling. Come on, baby. You got it, baby. You got it, baby. You got it, baby. Come on. Come on, baby.
Go check it. Where we at?
I don't know, bro. I think I'm up. Let me check. I cannot even see what's going on. Let me see. I'm
I
up
thought you
400.
go to the other.
400. I'm up 400. Come on. I don't know, but my brain tells me to close that shit, so I'm just close that shit.
No, don't close it. Come on.
I did.
Why you close it, man? You need
Because that
$300 more.
M15. Because I don't that M15, bro. I just wait for retracement.
I said just wait. You get like the displacement now. Like the displacement is just coming in 1 minute.
But look at NQ, bro.
Bro, yes, NQ
Let me
is
see
struggling.
if it goes, fuck it. Here, that's what because already kind of changing state in NQ from a gap, so let me show you.
1, 2, 3. Watch the displacement, bro. Watch it.
If it
You're
goes
gonna
up, oh my god.
because it needs to form that week for that 30 minutes, and then
This is the
boom.
more weird. This is the shittiest entry you can. Let me try this. Volume imbalance. All right. Oh fuck! You should have fucking played out. Shit. No. Now I'm a fully trader. Let me see how much I'm up. 400. That's good. That's not too bad. I
Yeah,
think
wait.
we can-
Just
think we
wait for
can-
that 30 minutes. Okay, that 30 minutes is gonna push either down. If it's gonna go up, it's gonna push down. So if it push down,
You know what I'm gonna do?
down. Let it push down a little, push down, and then you can get it.
Like I really want to
You're gonna-
take an entry once this candle flips. And
No. No, don't. It's too risky.
Oh,
It's
I
too
did.
risky.
Alright, close. Alright. Oh fuck! I didn't.
I told you to just leave it. Leave it. I
Oh
told
fuck!
you
I
that
opened the trade and I
it's gonna
closed it. Fuck. You know
I
what?
told you, like, I didn't want you to close
Guys,
it
don't
because
try
I
this at
wanted
home.
that
If I
30
get this
minutes
M1,
candle.
bro, what I'm gonna do if I get this M1 CISD on NQ? Fuck it. I'm gonna go with one mini. Fuck it. To the high. Literally, that's what I'm gonna do. Either blow the fucking account now.
Go to the 15 seconds and see.
I don't
You
have
get
that
it.
15 sec. Shit.
Let me see. Hold on, give me a second.
Oh
I got it.
man.
I literally told you not to close it, that you're gonna get a displacement. So,
fuck's sake.
I don't have one. I don't want to have one.
Let me see. I'm gonna take NQ. Fuck it. Literally. Let me see. If I get the M5 CISD, I'm gonna take it for real.
Just take NQ.
Yeah, that's
wait
what
for
I'll
it.
do. All right. We're in with one contract, bro.
Coming down.
It's
Let it
look.
come down.
It's
Let it
all
come-
or nothing. Oi!
Let it come down. Like you wait for a little. I'm looking at the 15 seconds. Now we're good.
Let me see.
Wait, it's gonna go back up. Yeah, I'm
Guys,
looking at the
never
15.
try this at home. Never try. This is pure gambling. Never try this shit at home.
I told you
All
to
right.
wait. It entered and the candle pulling back up.
It doesn't really matter. I'll just wait. As long as it's not below minus 200, minus 400, we good.
Now You should have. Now we should be good.
Let me see. For 300. 450.
Close that
500.
shit.
Fuck it. Close that bitch. Let's go. I'm up. 800. Let's fucking go. That's how we do it.
So how much do you need to pass it now?
I need 700 so I can pass it, like, because I still got just one day. So now, all right. So we up for a day. Fuck
Yeah,
that
you
shit.
should trade it Asia, man. Asia.
Yeah, no, but I gotta wait for tomorrow. So okay, we good. Up 800 for a day, which is good. So yeah, I gotta make another 800. But that could have fucking delivered price like from the get go. That's a good one. Okay, we're up 800. I cannot really pass it in one day, so. FOMO. Yes. I told you do not try this at home. But it worked, so. We had the idea, the drawer was still open. So fuck it, I'm gonna take it on NQ with one contract. If I blow the account, I'm gonna blow it anyways. I still got just one day to pass, so. If I don't pass it today, even though the account is not blown, so basically I cannot pass it anyways, so. It worked, that's what matters. The 1 minute held. We got in, perfect trade, 800 bucks. And I was like, thank God they closed a bit early. Because price just pushed, man. I think I would have been up like 1k or 1.2k, so it would have been a lot harder for me. So I had to lose like 300 bucks for me to be able to pass it in the next day. So let's see. So tomorrow we're gonna full port again. If it works, that's good. If it did not, it is what it is. I'm just
That's a
kidding,
good
boys.
trade.
All right, perfect. Oh my God, it's to the tick. Look at that, 749, 152. That's perfect. Look at the daily P&L. It's perfect. It's literally to the tick. 749. So I still got $700 to pass.
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll try to pass it tomorrow. Like I'll trade Asia and London. Let's see if we can make 300 bucks. And Monday. Fuck. Monday I got a lot of shit to do. Shit. Now let's see. All right. But again, never try this at home, guys. Never try it. Full port Asia. It'll definitely work. That's what I think, bro. I think that's what I'm going to do, bro. Like, wake up, look at my charts, buy or sell, boom, press 1, and fuck it. Just look at the previous daily candle. And then, okay, I'm gonna guess. And then I'll try to go for the full day's range. Or you know what I'm going to do? I'll try to build a model today to go and check all the bank holidays for the past, I don't know, 10 years or 20 years. Oh, which I cannot. Fuck. Yahoo Finance only gives you 2 years of data. Let me check how many bank holidays we had so far. If we have more than 10, and I have like 80% guarantee that it's going to go in a certain direction, fuck it. I'll wake up, take a chair, and sleep. And then see the whole day how it closes. That's it. I will see the average daily range. Try to put like a risk of 300 bucks. So if he manages to get to the average daily range, he'll get 300 bucks or lose 300 bucks. Because it has to go one way or the other. And that's it. So I'll be up 300 bucks with AI. So that's how we use AI to pass the account. Take advantage of it, guys. Learn some Python, and you'll be good to go. You'll be set for life. Have you seen the platform that I'm building, Merchant?
No. The AI stuff.
Let me show you. Let me run the code. Let me run the code on the back end. 1 sec. All right. Let me share my screen again. All right. Hit the dance floor. All right, we're gonna go starting soon. Let me show you, man.
Damn.
You can see the screen, right? You can see the screen on
Thank
Zoom.
you. Bye.
Yeah. They knew that I'm gonna get in, bro. That's why they fucking delivered that price like that. Oh, whoa. Where the fuck is he going? What the fuck? Oh
Yeah,
my
something
days, bro. Shit. I wish that was tomorrow.
happened.
Fuck. I wish I haven't lost the 2 trades the other day. Fuck.
Something happened.
Um,
Yes, today the seek and almost seek and destroy.
but we destroyed the destroy, so fuck it.
Yeah, seek and destroy.
Do you see the screen?
Yeah.
This is the Refined Trader Professional Market Analysis, PSP Intelligence Terminated. So if you go to I'm not really gonna show what's going on here because the Or you know what? Again, the last 30 days. Run analysis. Again, this is live analysis. If you check the data is there. This is a PSP. It shows you all the PSPs that are in the index futures on the 4 hour. And then it just literally shows you. You go there, see if it's... You can go to TradingView. I'm still working on this feature to go on TradingView directly and be able to see what's going on. Let me show you. No.
It's nice, bro.
But what's more important is this. This liquidity sweeps. This one has still got a lot of errors, bro, in the code. And it's just... The AI itself doesn't really figure it out. So I'm trying my best. Let me go to 2025. And this, what it basically shows you is... For example, we have this 2 a.m. 4-hour candle and 6 a.m. 4-hour candle. So how it literally reverse, does it reverse off of the previous candle or not? So this is literally what it shows. So if you run analysis, let me show you. Analyzing reversal patterns. And I gotta work on the UI, bro. I've been in Pinterest the whole day searching for UI. So basically here, if you really check YM, 2 a.m. was bearish. But to 6 a.m. was bullish. Did we sweep the low? Yes, it got swept. So now we just go ahead and track the data to see how often we sweep the low of the 4-hour candle before we reverse and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to make a...
So what about NQ? Let me see NQ.
Yeah, for sure. You can go to do this. NQ. And now you can just check it on the chart. Oh, wow. Why it's not clickable? Oh, it's here. My laptop is a little bit freezing up. Come on. All right, NQ. And you can go to... What's going on really? Okay, so if you see... Let's try it. March 31st. If we go to March 31st... Oh, my laptop is freezing because there's a lot of lines of code, man. On my laptop, again, like barely no storage left. All right. So if we go to March 31st. March 31st. Where's March 31st? On NQ. If you go to March 31st.
March 31st to Monday.
All right, let me go. All right, here. If you really check, the 2 a.m. was bearish, right? So it was bearish.
Yeah.
The 6 a.m. was bullish, but we did not take out a low, right? We did not take it out. So if we go to platform, it will show you that it was bearish. The 6 a.m. was bullish, but we did not sweep the low. So no, we did not get a sweep. But if we go to 30th, it was bullish, then turned bearish. It got swept. So if we go again, from bullish to bearish, it got swept. So if you go to previous day, 2 a.m. This is bullish. If you really check, 2 a.m. it was bullish. 6 a.m. was bearish. What did we do? We traded above the high and then reversed. So I'm just trying to frame these things and how often 2 a.m. is the opposite of 6 a.m. or how often 6 a.m. is the opposite of 10 a.m. When do we sweep? When we don't sweep? Is it on Monday, Tuesday? So I just want to have a lot of data, bro, that I can just go in the market. Boom. I know what I'm looking for. There is an edge that the AI did. And I just know, okay, based off my stats, 70%, 2 a.m. if it closed bearish. And it's a PSP. That's why I'm adding the PSP. And it's a PSP. And it's aligned with the daily, for example. There's a 70% chance that next 4-hour bullish is going to go bullish. So now I can just look for confluences to confirm the low of 10 a.m. Just trade at 10 a.m. That's really what I'm trying to do. So you can keep it simple, bro. My brain, I got a lot of fucking charts here. So sometimes I just get lost. But if you know what's going on beforehand, then you just focus on one idea. If we got the 2-stage that I'm looking for reversal at the low, then I can be assured. And again, you could know the expansion, how often it expands, stuff like that, how many points. So sometimes you can go a little bit beyond the level, or you don't go for a level, you go below it a little bit, depends on the ADR. So all these tests. So let me go back to the platform. So, and you can do all the days, like literally. And not only that, we have also energy, which is, and again, this is just for the last month. You can run it up to 2 years of data. So you can see a lot, 2 years of data. And I'm still working on the dashboard. The dashboard is the fucking hardest, man, to work on. So these stats here, I want to see how often we form the high or the low of the candle. Is it between 6 or 7 for the 6 a.m., 7 or 8, 8 to 9? And again, how often we form the low and stuff like that. And these stats are still not working, so I gotta figure them out. Detailed view, detailed analysis. Again, from bullish to bearish, liquidity swept, stuff like that. So yep, man, that's what I'm working on for the time being. So let's go back to the chart, and I think it's time to say goodbye to the boys, I guess.
Yeah, man.
I think
Yeah,
it's
me
time.
too.
Yeah, well, I think
yeah. Goodbye, because I need to jump on something else.
All right, man. See you, my brothers. Good to see you here. And I think tomorrow, I know we won't be able to hop on tomorrow, so we'll hop on Monday. All right. All right, G. Sounds good, man. And thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow. And again, remember, do not do this at home and do not try it because you're just gonna end up blowing accounts. So, see you guys. Take care and have a good rest of your night. Sai
All right,
Jan.
bye.
All right. See you, my brother. See you,